Yes, sir. Make sure to follow me on Instagram.com, Jonathan_Quest, SoundCloud.com, JQ Music with a K, and go get my album on Bandcamp, The Greats Writers of the Century. Let's go. Cold Blue Cam just dropped an hour ago. Haven't watched it. This is going to be a natural first reaction. Lero.
On June 13th, 2022, Kenosha County Dispatch received multiple calls reporting an armed man entering a convenience store in Summers, Wisconsin. 19-year-old Jonathan Peterson entered a Quick Trip with a knife and rifle. A caller stated he was pointing a gun at an employee and threatening to hurt people or himself. It was later discovered the rifle was an airsoft gun. There were 16 people inside the store fearing for their lives. Some were hiding in a walk-in cooler and others in an office.
Wow, this one's crazy. Wow, that's how you start off a day for videos. Whoa. Sheesh.
Where is he? Is there a guy in there with a gun?
Yeah.
What kind of gun?
It looked like an assault rifle. He's right up here.
Wow, that's wild. Like, what would you do, yo? Really, what would you freaking do?
His main intent was to make contact with a woman that worked there. Months before the incident, Jonathan constantly harassed and stalked the woman. In April 2022, she was granted a restraining order against him.
Psycho.
Ever since then, Jonathan has planned this event. Before we continue, let's hear a quick word from today's sponsor, USCCA. The U.S. Concealed Carry Association literally helps to save lives. They provide memberships.
Sorry about that, folks. Let's continue.
So he sounds like he's over there by the ATM.
ATM?
Ready?
Is that him by the ATM?
Yeah. Drop the gun!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun right now!
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Get away from him! Get away from him!
Drop the gun!
Psycho,
Drop the
bro.
gun.
Put the
Right
gun
now.
down.
Drop it!
Buddy.
Ma'am, get the out of the way!
Down!
Shoot me.
No, drop the gun!
Drop the gun.
Shoot me.
We're not going anywhere.
Please shoot me.
Get out of the way.
Shoot me, man. Please.
Drop it.
Please shoot
We're not doing this.
Please shoot me.
He has a knife to his throat.
We're not doing this. Drop the gun.
Please shoot me.
No.
Please shoot me.
No. That's not how this works.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Please shoot me.
Drop the gun.
Cops have been on point
Jonathan
these last
eventually
videos.
tossed the fake gun
That's
at
my
an
name.
employee and threatening to hurt people.
Hold on. Sorry
Fake
about
rifle onto the
Please shoot me.
No, that's not how this works.
Yes, it
Cops
is.
No,
have
it's
been on
not.
point. His name is Jonathan,
Drop the
and
gun.
that's funny.
Jonathan eventually tossed the fake
ain't
rifle
me, it's
onto the
JQ.
counter, but then took out a knife and pressed it into the side of his neck.
Listen to me.
Drop it.
Suicide.
Listen, it's not
Suicide.
worth it,
It's
all right?
suicide.
We can do this.
Sorry.
Dude, he just wants attention. He would have did it already. You feel me?
It's not.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Come on.
We haven't done anything yet.
I'm already.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Do you
Why?
know how much time I'm going to have to serve in prison?
For what?
Drop the gun.
Why?
I'm on a slice, I swear to God. I want it back.
Let me help you out. Put down the knife and we'll
I
work.
want it
No.
back. Shoot me.
Put down the knife and
Shoot
we'll
me,
look.
man. I want to see how much power those things got. Shoot me.
No, come on, man.
This was a
Please.
crazy cold blue cam. I haven't seen one like this yet.
Let us
I
stop.
had to share with you
I was
guys.
not trying to leave myself. Please.
Come on.
Shoot me, man.
Don't do that. Come on.
Oh,
Not
you
how it
just-
works.
Please don't. Come on.
Ready?
Drop the knife,
You
please.
taste me, I'm slicing you.
Please.
Drop the knife.
Drop the
Wow,
knife, please.
not one reaction.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife.
Need you to drop the knife.
The one didn't connect.
Down on the stomach. Down on the stomach. Down on the stomach.
Please just shoot me, man.
We got the gun already.
So happy no one got hurt. They got him. This was
Oh!
great work.
Shoot me, man. Come on. Please just shoot me. Damn it.
What you expect?
Holy
Wow, that was wild, guys. Wow.
283 Sheriff Taser deployed. We got one in custody.
Dude, please get off my neck, man. Please.
You're not on your neck. Come on your shoulder.
Just shoot me, man. Come on, please.
Dude, it's not worth it.
Please shoot me,
not worth
man.
it.
I don't have a life anymore.
Everyone else can slow down.
Shoot me.
All right, roll over.
Oh, man. I'm
Sit up.
hurt.
Great work.
Does that hurt more than getting shot?
You got
I lost my mind, man. Please just shoot me. Please just shoot me. Come on, guys. Shoot me.
Sending body worn down in 20 seconds. Sending body worn down
Please
in
shoot me, man.
15
Come on, please
seconds.
shoot me. Shoot me.
Sending body worn down
No,
in
it's
10
not over.
seconds.
Shoot me. You got a gun right there.
Body worn down canceled.
Shoot me, man. Come on, please shoot me. You just shoot me, man. Please.
It's not worth it.
Yes, it is. My life is over. I just fucked up. It's over. Shoot me, please. Put me on me on
Check
mission.
you out and we'll go from there.
No,
right?
shoot me, man. Please just shoot me. Shoot me.
Shut up.
Just shoot me, man. Come on, please.
Anything else in your pockets?
I got a knife on my left.
No,
If it
I
ain't fall
took
out.
that already.
Just shoot me, man. Come on. My life is over. Just shoot me. Come on.
Dude got issues, yo.
Just shoot me, man. Please.
Nah, this dude, I hope he got some help, man.
Yeah. Volkswagen. Volkswagen Jetta.
Can somebody please just shoot me? I'm begging you. Please fucking shoot me or I'm doing it myself.
No, you're going to jail now.
Can you just shoot me?
All right, here, stand up.
Can you help me out, man?
Yeah, we are.
Kind of feel bad for him.
All right, we're gonna go outside.
That's what shorties will do, man.
Why
Don't put
can't
your
you
energy
fucking
towards
shoot me,
that.
man? I'm done.
Put your
Just
energy
shoot me,
into
please.
something that's going to produce in your life. Make you positive and
Please just
productive
shoot
in
me.
a great
Is it
way in
even real?
society. In your life, your family, your friends. Let's go. Inspiration shit. JQ with the gems. JQ with the hidden gems. Be an inspiration to your fams and your friends. Forget girls, man. Be an inventor. Be a scientist. Be a blogger. Haha.
Just fucking shoot me, please, man. Just fucking shoot me.
Here, go over to the
Fucking
fence.
shit, man. Jesus Christ. How much volts was that? Gosh dang.
Here, take a seat.
Can you please just shoot me, man? No, man, just shoot me.
Are you in the Navy?
No, I wanted to be, but I couldn't join. So.
Yo, I swear
Yeah.
those cops
Yep.
are professional because I would have
tell
told
Uh,
them shut the
Can you
fuck
please
up
just pop me up there?
a
Come on.
while ago.
Can you please just shoot me, man? I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna do it. So, no, I'm gonna do it to myself. So can you please just fucking shoot me?
That's not happening, obviously, so you might as well stop asking.
Facts.
I just lost my mind. I'm sick of people, man. I really am. You know, my life is already over. I'm gonna show you guys.
Is it even here?
It is. It's right there. We ran out of the plate. Comes back to him.
Nothing in there that you
No one
saw?
else is in there. I didn't see anything in plain view right there.
All right.
Probation, there's no loss, no probation, and there's a restraining order against him.
You hear what I'm fucked, you know? That's what I say. You guys, instead of tasing me, bro, fucking hurt, you should have just
That
shot
was
me.
him? That you just ran by?
You should have just shot me, dude.
I don't know.
Why didn't you guys just shoot me?
Was that your girl in there?
Hell no.
Oh. I'm just gonna go put this in the squad.
If I run up and...
While interviewing the woman, she thought back to the restraining order hearing and remembered Jonathan asking the judge if he could still buy a gun.
Crazy.
Jonathan was charged with felony counts of stalking, making terrorist threats, ×2, false imprisonment, and misdemeanor violating a restraining order. In December 2022, he was found guilty of all felony charges. His misdemeanor charge was dismissed, but read in. During his hearing, Jonathan made a statement thanking the Kenosha County Sheriff's deputies for saving his life and
Facts.
ending the incident peacefully.
100%.
Sergeant Sanchez and Sergeant Coltrip
Salute.
was the first two deputies to arrive at the
Salute.
store.
Look
Due
like
to their
dweebs,
response to
but
the
still.
situation, everyone escaped unharmed from a potentially fatal incident. Ultimately, Jonathan was sentenced to 5.5 years in prison and 6 years of extended supervision.
Oh.
Head over to codebluecam.com and check out our great selection of
Oh. Oh. 5 years in prison. Oh, cherish your freedom. Oh, wow. Wow.